And time now for the holidays and observances and the famous birthdays segment. All right, and this segment is being brought to you by SM City, Olongapo Downtown, and SM City, Olongapo Central. Before I give you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthdays, check out the offers for you, okay? Let me do the holidays and observances first, okay? Today is April 20, no, not April, nagmamadali si DJ Tommy G masyado. Nagmamadali, wag magmadali, ha? Okay. March pa lang, hindi pa April. March 26, 2025. Nag-April agad eh, no? Okay. What are the holidays and observances for you for March 26? March 26 is, let me check, International Balloon Animal Day. Alright? In case you don't know what that is, yung balloon animal, yung balloon na naka-shape ng animal, often to lift your spirit, di ba? Kadalasan yan yung mga pinapasalubong sa mga sa mga relatives, sa mga bata na nasa hospital, di ba, recovering, animal balloons or simply for kids, right? Mm-hmm. Legal Assistance Day ang March 26. Red Wagon Day. Are you driving a little red wagon? It's the special day for them. Mm-hmm. Today is also Make Up Your Own Holiday. If you are to make up your own holiday, ano yung gagawin mo? Anong holiday ang gagawin mo? Ako siguro ang gagawin ko holiday ng mga tatay na hindi takusa. Di ba? Maganda yan. Magandang holiday yan. Magandang idea yan. Di ba? Sige, itatag natin Tsaka yung araw ng pinagkaisang unyon ng mga kalalakihang inaapi. Yan. Alright? Pagka yung acronym niya, PUNKI. So, PUNKI. Yan. Pinagkaisang unyon ng kalalakihang inaapi. PUNKI. Di ba? PUNKI. Di ba? Yan siguro yung gagawin kong holiday if I am to make up a holiday of my own. Yan yung gagawin ko holiday. Sa mga gustong sumali, mag-sign up na kayo, ha? PUNKI, pinagkaisang unyon ng kalalakihang inaapi, or acronym PUNKI. Okay? March 26 is also Science Appreciation Day. Yan. Everybody appreciates science. Alam niyo, malaki ang tulong ng science sa buhay natin, ha? Di ba? Maraming mga pag-aaral, mga research na nagbigay ng enlightenment sa atin, ng kaalaman because of science. Okay? Science is very, very important. Di ba? What are the branches of science? Di ba? Sabi nga kung naaalala nyo, nag-aaral pa kayo, di ba kasama sa mga unang-unang assignment mo pag science subject? What are the branches of science? So sabi ko, malay ko. Ang alam ko isang branch lang eh. Hindi ko naman alam na nagtayo ng pangalawa eh. Branch 1, branch 2, science lang, pre. Ayan. Naisingit ko lang kasi ngayon, Science Appreciation Day. Today is also Purple Day. Do you guys know that? March 26 is Purple Day. And Spinach Day. Who loves spinach? Wala. The best way to cook spinach, the best way to enjoy spinach, in case you don't know, is throw it away and order burgers. Burgers and french fries. Okay, so what else? March 26, wala na. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, and here's a little something for you for those who are celebrating their birthdays today. March 26 birthday celebrants. This one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the likes. Famous people celebrating their birthdays today include Catherine Bernardo. Happy birthday to Catherine Bernardo. She was born March 26, 1996. Alright, and another sikat na celebrity artista, Matteo Guidicelli. March 26, 1990. Alright. And who else do we gotta greet? Let me check. Uy! Si paring Samuel Morrison. Alright? Samuel Morrison is a Filipino taekwondo athlete. And he was born, he represented the country sa mga international competitions like the SEA Games. Do you guys know that? He is also known as Butch Morrison, Filipino Taekwondo Jin. Yun ang tawag nila sa mga taekwondo athletes eh. Taekwondo Jin. Yan. He was born March 26, 1990 and he is from Olongapo City. Kapatid nating Olongapeño. Yan. In case you don't know, huh? Alright. Some more celebrities for you. Pop singer Gavin Magnus turns 17 today. TV actress Ella Anderson turns 19. Who else do we gotta greet? Keira Knightley. Popular movie actress Keira Knightley turns 39 today. And Diana Ross. Wow, turns 80 today. 80 na ha, si Diana Ross. Mukha lang 79 ha. Movie actor, funny man Martin Short turns 74 today. Country singer Kenny Chesney, 56. Steven Tyler of Aerosmith. Rock singer turns 76 as well. And Gucci. Oh, alam nyo na kung ano yan ha? The fashion designer. The guy who established Gucci was born March 26, 1881. Tagal na, no? Long time ago. Of course, he passed away long time ago rin, 1953. His next of kin is now operating Gucci, okay? The Nexus, no? R&B singer Jay Sean turns 43 today. For those who are not familiar, Jay Sean is the popular pop singer, R&B singer, who made the song popular, the song called Do You Remember All of the Times We Had? Yan, among others. Meron pa may iba pa, di ba? Huwag nakakanta pa ako eh. And also, happy birthday to movie actress Leslie Mann, turns 53 today. Leonard Nimoy will be forever known as Spock on Star Trek. Was born March 26, 1931. He passed away back in 2015. And who else? Let me check for you. The next names on the list, I don't really know them, so I guess that's about it. Oh, John Stockton of the Utah Jazz. You guys remember the Stockton to Malone days? Ayan, si John Stockton turns 62 today of the NBA. All-time assist leader. Ewan ko kung na-break na yung record niya. Siya ang number 1 up to now when it comes to assists. Diba? Napakagaling. Ibig sabihin, napakagaling mamasa. Alam nyo, yung mga magagaling sa assist sa basketball, ibig sabihin, hindi sila dupang. Hindi sila swapang sa bola. Pinapasa nila talaga. Kaya nga naging top sa sa assist di ba? Ibig sabihin kasi na assist yung pagpasa, which results into a basket score, di ba? Score. So there you have it, celebrities and the like, celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, March 26, birthday celebrants. So happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you kay Mr. Singh. Si Mr. Singh yung gumawa niyan para sa akin yung happy birthday to you. Thank you Mr. Singh. Kaya lang, the thing about Mr. Singh, yung Singh niya, hindi niya apelido. Di ba usually apelido yung Mr. Singh, no? Sa kanya hindi, first name niya yon. Alam niyo apelido niya? Geltut. Singh Geltut. Yan. Tapos you guessed it right, nag-iisa yung ngipin niya, iisa lang. Okay, time now for some of the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the pet vaccination that will be happening, calling all pet lovers. Join us this March 29, Saturday, at Level 3 of SM City Olongapo Downtown for pet vaccination sa downtown po. So there will be free anti-rabies vaccines for dogs and cats. health tips from local veterinarians. And the blood donation campaign will be happening para sa Thursday kasi yung sa this is for SM City Olongapo Central. Ayun. I'm looking at the liit eh. For SM City Olongapo Downtown, kahapon po ginanap. Yan, March 25. So, there's one more tomorrow, Thursday, March 27, 10 in the morning, Level 4 SMX Convention, Olongapo Central, SM Olongapo Central. Okay? So, yung mga gusto mag-donate, yung mga regular blood donors like myself, I'm a regular blood donor. Kaya lang, hindi ako makapunta sa March 27 bukas. I'm on duty at the office. So, well, I have my other way of donating blood naman. Every 3 months, you guys, you know, you can donate blood. Every 3 months, pwede. No? And it has good health benefits for you as well if you're gonna do that. So, this one's happening tomorrow, March 27, Thursday, 10 a.m. at SM City Olongapo Central. The blood donation campaign. Give the gift of life. Save lives. Donate blood. Okay? And Fun Ventures is finally at SM City Olongapo Downtown. The newest roof deck adventure park is redefining outdoor fun with an exciting mix of activities and breathtaking views. Located at the 7th floor roof deck of SM City Olongapo Downtown, this unique entertainment venue offers a range of thrilling rides and attractions perfect for adventurers of all ages. All right? So check it out. Fun Ventures, 7th level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. And Kaishin presents the Women's Month promo. Okay? As we celebrate the strength and resilience of women around the world, may we continue to uplift, empower, and support each other. All women get 30% off for customers only of Kaishin. All right, March 8 to 31, 2025, Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. And visit SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown for other Women's Month special offers for all of you ladies, mga kababaihan. Ayan, o, mga tatay ha, mga kababaihan muna. International Women's Month, the month of March. So again, visit Downtown and Central, SM City Olongapo Downtown and Central for the special Women's Month offers. Marami pa yan, of course, marami pa. And here's our next cool song for you now. This one's coming from December Avenue. Requested song. This one's called Sa Ngalan ng Pag-ibig. Alright, this is 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Your shoutouts coming up next.